I'm Neva Partal, a junior at Masconomet Regional High School, which we like to call Masco, and combines 3 neighboring small towns into one school in Massachusetts. Some people dream of traveling the world. I dream of traveling the universe. But since I can't do that yet, let's focus on my journey on Earth. My journey starts in Syracuse, New York. My parents are from Turkey, and I've been immersed in 2 cultures my whole life. I lived in both countries, back and forth, and in elementary school, I lived on my parents' university campus in Istanbul, where they taught engineering. When I was a kid, I wanted to be an astronaut, because, well, it looked cool. I knew nothing about space back then, and I just thought, floating sounds like fun. But that curiosity didn't fade. It evolved. Our apartment's top floor balcony became a top picnic spot for watching lunar eclipses. In elementary school, we got the chance to go to a space camp in Izmir. Little did I know that it was organized by the one and only NASA. At Space Camp Turkey, I got to see real space technology up close and even got to try a zero-gravity machine. And that's when I realized space isn't just cool. It's a challenge, a journey ready to be taken. And I want to be the one taking it. We moved to Middleton, Massachusetts in 2021. At Masco, I found my people. I also started picking up hobbies like crafts, baking, traveling, documenting, tennis, fashion, and even theater. I'm one of the biggest theater nerds you'll ever see, and there's a chance you might see me belting out Defying Gravity from a Wicked with my friends. On the weekends, I'll be at Barnes & Noble, doing chemistry homework, or just browsing. At school, one of my most impactful clubs is a Youth Action Advisory Board. And yeah, we analyze data from a school-wide survey based on youth mental health and substance use. We find trends in the data, the reasoning behind them, and compile a presentation to present to the school committee and the community later on. Although my school is more on the artsy side, I've always kept my love for STEM. I took my school's engineering class where I learned how to code Arduinos, 3D and laser prints, and even got to make a board game where players got to make rockets. I also joined the school's Rocketry Club this year, or TARC, the Team America Rocketry Challenge. TARC confirmed my passion for aerospace, and I collaborated with my fellow space enthusiasts. It taught me that engineering isn't always easy and quick. There's trial after trial after trial until it finally works. My school doesn't offer many STEM extracurriculars or classes, so this year I began to offer them to myself. My NASA journey started with a Power to Explore contest, where I got to research a moon of my choosing, Iapetus, and design an RPS-powered mission to discover it. Its dual-tone structure fascinated me, and I researched it further beyond the contest. So much that it became my favorite moon. At SEES, my #1 choice is moon exploration and habitation, which came from my interests that emerged from this contest. I also recently joined NASA's Citizen Science Project on Exoplanet Watch, where I contribute to NASA's data research on exoplanets. So why SEES? I was a firm believer in I will start tomorrow. Then I realized tomorrow will never come unless I make it today. And that's where my next stop comes. SEES is a perfect opportunity to turn tomorrow into today. I've chased my passion for aerospace through stargazing, rocket launches, coding, and research, and SEES will take it further. Working with NASA scientists, collaborating with peers, and contributing to real space research is an opportunity I just can't pass up. I've enjoyed the opportunities that NASA has offered me, and being at SEES will allow me to take my passion further to the next level. Whether it's analyzing data, studying the moon's potential for habitation, or coding simulations, I want to be part of the work shaping our future beyond Earth. SEES is a place where I can ask big questions, test ideas, and learn from experts leading the way. Beyond the research, it's a community, a space where students with the same excitement come together to create something meaningful. SEES isn't just an internship, it's a launchpad, and I'm ready to take off. I hope I get to work with you all this summer, and thank you so much for taking your time. And if you're ever looking for me, I'm probably looking at the stars.